Hello dear viewers, in this video I'll explain how you can use Cloud WhatsApp filter to filter your list of phone numbers without you logging in your WhatsApp account or facing the WhatsApp banning issue. First of all, you'll have to visit my website, and here you can explore all the insights of my website yourself. For now, I'll explain the most important features we are offering. First of all, you can filter 50,000 numbers for just $1. Okay. The next feature is that you do not have to log in your WhatsApp account, so you are not facing the banning risk. To get started, you have to click on register. Make sure in the phone number you are giving a complete phone number with your country code as well. Next, you have to give your website and then you have to enter your password. Make sure you explain for what kind of purpose you are going to use these grids for. Agree to the terms and then click on register. After registration, it will take you to the login page, and here you have to log in with your email and password. After logging in, you will be brought to your dashboard where you can see your stats. For now, since this account is fresh, so all the stats are 0. Now, either I have to buy a custom plan, which I can buy for $5 as well, or I can choose all ready-made plans. So I have chosen the minimum credits of 5, and then I'll proceed to payment. I have selected USDT and TRC20 network. You can choose on your own, and then I'll pay with my phone. Once you have paid, click on submit payment, and if you have the receipt, kindly upload it here, or you can skip for now. Coming back to dashboard. Now, as soon as the withdrawal will be successful, I'll get the credits in my account automatically. That's it. As you can see, we have got our credits in our account. Now we can filter our files. For 5 credits, which we have got for $5, we can filter 250k numbers. Then if you have your own file to filter, you can click on upload file, and here you can upload your file. For now, I do not have any file, so I'll generate numbers. Make sure you write the number with country code and download the text file. Okay, then come back to upload page and select the country here. This is most crucial part. You have to select the right country and make sure that the countries are not mixed. You are uploading one file, it must have the numbers of only one country. You can read these instructions carefully, and then as you can see, as soon as I uploaded my file, it is telling me that it had 2000 numbers, and for that 0.04 credits will be deducted. I'll click on upload. Okay, so my file is uploaded, and now we can come back to our dashboard where we will have to wait for our file. We do not have to refresh, we do not have to do anything. Once our file is filtered, we will get the notification here. Okay, so as you can see, we have got the notification that our file is ready and we can download it from this button. And out of 2000 numbers, we have got 393 active WhatsApp numbers. So this is how we can filter using this cloud filter without logging in any WhatsApp accounts whatsoever. If you want to buy this software, all you have to do is go to this website. I'll give the link in my description as well, and you can see it on screen. Just click on register, then log in and buy credits, and just keep going. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.